Greetings, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video, and today's recipe doesn't need too many ingredients. First, you're going to need some vegan sausage, and you're going to need some broccoli rabe, a big bundle. You're going to need some olive oil. Discount olive oil is preferred. You're going to need some pasta. You're going to need a jar of pea. Now it's actually broth. You're going to need a little bit of crushed tomato, and we're ready to start. So, first things first, you want to wash that broccoli rabe. Wash it really, really well. And then you're going to cut the ends off. Save those ends broth so we can continue the broth cycle. And you're going to cut the broccoli rabe into about 3-inch long pieces. And then you're going to bring it over to a wide pan that has boiling water in it. You're going to add a little salt to the water. And you are going to throw your broccoli rabe in there. It'll cook up in, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes. And meanwhile, be sexy and cut up half of a small onion. So I kind of struggled cutting this onion for some reason, which I don't know why. I don't know. Anyway, then you're going to drain out the broccoli rabe and set it aside. And so this recipe I got from Rabe a long time ago, back when I ate meat and stuff. And I liked this recipe. I haven't made it since, so I tried it out. So you're going to put a little olive oil down in the pan. You're going to saute your onions. And remember, just, be sexy the whole time. That's really important. And meanwhile, you also want to get your pasta going. So I have this with pasta, this rotini pasta. You can have it with spaghetti. You could have it any way you want. It could be a side dish. I don't know. You do you. So when your onions have kind of browned a little bit, it's going to be time to theatrically squeeze the sausage out of the package and then struggle with it. So put this vegan sausage in the thing. So this Gimme Lean sausage was it was pretty good actually, but I will say the Beyond sausage would probably be better. So you're just gonna brown the sausage, just brown, keep on browning. It'll take like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Add oil if you need to, and then when it's nice and brown, then you're gonna be ready to, stir it a little bit more and then add in the broccoli rabe. And you're gonna stir this all up together, all nicely. Meanwhile, the pasta is cooking. When the pasta's done, make sure you drain it. Don't overcook your pasta. Okay, and then we're going to look at how beautiful it is and how sexy it is. Broccoli rabe. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of crushed tomato because I like that in there. And a little bit of broth just to make everything kind of combine. And then you're going to have your pasta. Your pasta's all cooked. You're going to put this all over the top of the pasta. This is really easy. It's not a lot of ingredients. This is like a weekday meal, right, guys? Yeah, look at it. Look at how nice that looks. It looks like broccoli rabe and sausage. And then you're going to taste test it. And it was good. I made quite a bit, enough for 3 meals. So anyways, last week I had that Google Home Mini giveaway. And if you're here to find out who won, I'm going to be announcing that today on Instagram. And if you followed the directions, you already follow me on Instagram, so go check that out. And boop! Boop! Thanks for watching.